Hello friends, welcome to English Smart Academy. Hope you are all doing well. So today we are going to practice different exercises of adjective. In my previous video I discussed adjective in a detailed way. So today I am going to assess your knowledge, what you have learned. Don't skip this video, take a notebook and pen. Before I utter the correct answer, you are to write it down. So let's start. Exercise number 1. Identify the type of adjective. So these are the sentences. Number 1 sentence is she has 3 books. So you are to identify the type of adjective, number adjective. Second sentence, this is a beautiful dress. Beautiful, this is quality adjective. Third sentence, which student got the highest marks? So which interrogative adjective? I need some water. Some, this is quantity adjective. That house belongs to my uncle. That house, this is demonstrative adjective. Second exercise, fill in the correct degree of adjective. Number 1 sentence, this road is than the other one. So there is a comparison, then word is used, so the wide degree would be wider. Today is the cold day of the month, coldest. My bag is light than yours, lighter. She is the smart girl in the class, smartest. This question is easy than the last one. This question is easier than the last one. Third exercise, use comparatives without than. She is my elder sister. This design is superior to that one. He is junior to me in office. Her idea is superior to yours. My cousin is senior to me in college. So these are the words with which we don't use than in comparative degree. Fourth exercise, you are to use superlatives without most. Number 1 sentence, he is the eldest in the family. This is the chief reason for the problem. Among all, she is the superior. He is the eldest of 3 brothers. This is the chief point of lesson. So in superlative degree, we don't use most with these words. Fifth exercise, identify the degree of adjectives. Number 1 sentence, she is a pretty girl. This is positive degree. This task is harder than that one. This is comparative degree. He is the best player in the team. Superlative degree. My room is cleaner today. Comparative. That was the worst decision. So this is superlative degree. Exercise number 6. Choose the correct adjective. She has long hair. My marks are superior to hers. He is the taller of the 2 boys. This is the chief reason. My aunt is elder to my mother. Exercise number 7. Rewrite using the correct adjective. Number 1 sentence, she is the more intelligent girl in the class. So in the class, here there is she is the most intelligent. He is senior than me. He is senior to me. This building is most tall in the area. So we don't use most, tallest. She is more elder than me. She is elder to me. His plan is more superior to mine, so his plan is superior to mine. Exercise number 8. Identify the adjective and its type. I ate some rice. This is quantity. Quantity adjective. She has little patience. Again, quantity adjective. Those apples are fresh. Those, this is demonstrative adjective. He bought 10 pens. This is number adjective. The honest man won the award. Honest is quality adjective. Exercise number 9. Fill in adjectives correctly. She is the cleverest student in the school. His shirt is brighter than yours. This chair is more comfortable to that one. He is junior to me. This is the chief point to remember. This is our last exercise. You are to correct the underlined adjective. Number 1 sentence. This is the most eldest member of the family. So we cannot use double superlatives, double comparatives in a sentence. The sentence would be this is the eldest member of the family. Second sentence, my car is superior than yours. So with superior, we do not use than. Instead of using than, we would use to. My car is superior to yours. She is more prettier than her sister. She is prettier than her sister. This road is much narrower than that. This road is narrower. He is the most chief guest today. He is the chief guest today. So these were all exercises which you practiced. Hope you have written down the answer before I utter the correct one. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more grammatical or any other lesson, let me know in the comment box. Subscribe this academy, share it with your friends, like it, and take care of yourself. See you in the next video.